Meaning of division. Division is the process of sharing or dividing. Suppose there are 20 apples. How can these be shared equally by 4 friends A, B, C and D? Let each friend take one apple at a time as shown below and see how many times this can be done. A, B, C, D. First time, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Second time, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Third time, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Fourth time, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. Fifth time, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. From the above sharing, all the 20 apples have been divided among 4 friends equally, such that each gets 5. We can say this as when 20 is divided by 4, it is equal to 5. Using symbols, we write it as 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Divided by is the symbol for division. We read as divided by. Division as repeated subtraction.
You have learnt division as equal sharing or as equal distribution. Now let us learn division as repeated subtraction.
Study the example given below. You want to share 12 stickers among your friends. You ask your friends to take 3 stickers each. How many friends will get the stickers? Solution. Total number of stickers 12. First friend takes 3. Number of stickers left 12 minus 3 9. Second friend takes 3. Number of stickers left 9 minus 3 6. Third friend takes 3. Number of stickers left 6 minus 3 3. Fourth friend takes 3. Number of stickers left 3 minus 3 0. Thus 4 friends get 3 stickers each. You have divided 12 stickers each 3. Therefore, we say that 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. In 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, 12 is called dividend, 3 is called divisor, and 4 is called quotient. Division using multiplication tables. Example. Divide 12 by 4 and write the quotient. Use multiplication table of 4. Solution. To divide 12 by 4, we have to consider the multiplication table of 4. From the multiplication table of 4, we get 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Multiplication fact. Therefore, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Thus, division can be done using multiplication tables. Suppose you have to divide 28 by 7. From the multiplication table of 7, you know that 4 into 7 is equal to 28. So, 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. Similarly, 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. Division fact and multiplication fact. We have two division facts for every multiplication fact. Multiplication fact: 6 into 8 is equal to 48. For this, we have two division facts. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 8 and 48 divided by 8 is equal to 6. We have two multiplication facts for every division fact. Example 1. Write the multiplication facts for the division fact 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. Solution. The division fact is 63 divided by 9 is equal to 7. The multiplication facts are 9 into 7 is equal to 63 and 7 into 9 is equal to 63. Example 2. Write the division facts for the multiplication fact 7 into 6 is equal to 42. Solution. The multiplication fact is 7 into 6 is equal to 42. The division facts are 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6 and 42 divided by 6 is equal to 6.
Thus, we can say that for every division fact, there are two multiplication facts. For every multiplication fact, there are two division facts.
Do these. 1. Reasoning proof. 1. Write division facts. 2. Write multiplication facts for the following. Reasoning proof. 3. Divide using multiplication tables and write the quotient. Problem solving. Long division method. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. As we know that 3 into 2 is equal to 6 through multiplication table. This can be written in another way as Step 1. 6 divided by 3. Step 2. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Step 3. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. This above method of division is called long division method.
Let's study this long division method in detail.
Example 1. Sohan had 8 pencils. He wants to give these 8 pencils to 4 of his friends. How many pencils will Sohan give to each friend? Sohan give each one 2 pencils, or Sohan divide 8 pencils equally among 4 friends. The number to be divided is called the dividend. Total number of pencils 8. Dividend 8. The number with which the dividend is divided is called the divisor. Number of friends 4. Divisor 4.
The result of the division is called the quotient.
Each one gets 2 pencils. Quotient 2. The number that is left behind after the division is called the remainder. Dividend 8. 4 friends get 2 each. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Remainder 0. Example 2. Manju has 9 balloons. She gives 2 balloons to each of her friends. How many friends will get the balloons? Will there be any balloons left for Manju? 9 divided by 2 is equal to how much?
2 is divisor, 9 is dividend, 4 is quotient.
Thus, Manju will be left with 1 balloon.
When you multiply the quotient and the divisor,
their product has to be equal to or less than the dividend. The remainder has to be less than the divisor. If not, try the next higher number as the quotient. If the divisor is a 1-digit number, we have to take only 1-digit number from the dividend for division, and the remaining number can be brought down in the next step if it is there. But if we have a number which is less than the divisor, then we have to take 2 digits from the dividend and divide.